tired. I'm on my way to go see my papa. I miss him. Wow, my knees. Escalator closed. Oh, my damn knees hurt. I gotta go all the way up there. It's 10 o'clock in Washington Heights, and I'm going to PA. The van right there. Hey, Kristen, what you doing? Take the PA. 8% transportation. I said I was gonna try Friendlies and Arby's, but I'm gonna try a different day. We got something to do right now, but and then we gotta go to Walmart. It's Friday, and it's about to rain, but it's not raining. It was drizzling a little bit. Hold on. Oh, that's a nice car. I'm going to that supermarket right there, and then Dollar Tree's down there. I'm going to Dollar Tree, and then I'll go back. Then I'll go to Walmart. This car's coming too fast. Come on, this car. But they ain't gonna stop. Oh. It's this supermarket they got out here. The big ass supermarket. That's hence the name. But I'm about to go get some chicken. I'm in Walmart. I didn't even know they have bars. Look at this. Oh, I don't have no Apple Jacks. Oh. I'm looking at cereal aisle. Hopefully they have it in there. That's crazy. But yeah, this is my cart. This little shopping. Got some more celery. That goes for Kimani. That's for Kimani. That's for Kimani. That's for Kimani. And this is for me.
Look at these little cute bottles. I need one of these bottles. It's small. I'm sure it's a little bigger though. But yeah. Look at this little deodorant. See the price of $3. That's crazy. It's like travel size stuff.
Good morning. Today is July 30th, Saturday. And I see the sun is out. Hopefully it's not that hot today. Summer's almost over. But I have a medical appointment today at 11:40. I wanted to go to Drug Fest tomorrow in Queens. Miss Grace Drug Festival thing. I wanted to go, but because if you go there, it's $45 for the ticket, and then like you have to pay for food. Cause it's like a concert with vendors there. I don't know, cause rent is Monday, man. Parties. It's me running late for my appointment for me. I'm gonna wake up so early, let me say I run late. That makes no sense. Oh, yeah, it's nice though. Nice outside. Oh, the Jamaican restaurant. It's called The Spots. It is so freaking hot. I spoke too soon. I was in the shade just now. It is hot. We got outfit for the day. Because I was in a rush. I don't give care. I don't care if I'm matching or not. Because I didn't even want to iron this damn shirt. I was like, oh, can't go outside looking like that. Can't go outside look like nobody's child. I have an appointment. Oh, what for my head? My wrist?
I'm saving. Oh, thank you.
city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. She won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl.
I like green. Thank you. Oh, this is nice too. No,
We're short girls.
yeah, I like short nails.
Me too.
Oh, it's long.
Me too. But I like your length, which is longer than mine.
I actually wanted your length. It's like I'm like short nails and they still give me a little long.
She won't waste no time.
It's some stuff. Okay, just finished my appointments. It's like 1:46 p.m. I feel like it's gonna rain. Taking some blood. Gotta come back in 2 weeks on the 13th. That's my mother's birthday. But give me a free matcha card. My matcha card expired tomorrow. Wait. Yeah, it expires tomorrow. So see, I could use this for 2 days until. Oh no, it's two trip. So I could use it for Monday when I go to work. Yeah, I thought the sun was gone. The sun is back out. So yeah, I'm gonna use it for Monday when I'm going to work. Then I buy my weekly on Tuesday. Because I usually buy weekly matcha cards. But I'm going to the market right now before I go back inside and make some food. Because I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing. All I drink was my juice that I made the other day. The carrot one. But I'm about to go to the market, get some cucumber. Well, I need watermelon. Yeah. I weigh 155. Like, I weigh 155. I need to lose like 10 pounds. I'm not playing with myself. 10 pounds. At first I said 20, but I think that's too extreme. The church right here. They got a market thing going on over there. I never go. I always walk past. They selling stuff. Clothes and whatever. I don't know. What? Well, it's across. But they don't have no light right here. So people get killed. But yeah, I'm going to the market. Supermarket, yeah. I'm going to the supermarket that I went to the other day. That I bought the mangoes from. Yo, I'm forgetting to tell them that, yo, them mangoes, I didn't put it in that vlog, but them mangoes was not good. They did not taste good. That's it. The train station. It's my face like, what's she doing? That's what they doing over there. Over there. Alright, let me cross now. It's so freaking hot. Oh, they don't have that cart no more. But they trying to replace. I can't find the cards. Where's the little cart they had at the back? Oh, it's over there. See it. I'm like, dang. Cucumber. I got no cucumber. I bet I got some wings. I'm gonna try to air fry some wings. Let's see how much the wings is. Look at the wings. Yeah, turkey drumsticks $4.75. That's not bad. some. I need chicken seasoning. I don't have chicken seasoning. Let me cheese it. Come on, man. Oh, I need a bun. Now that I'm in here, I need a bun because I have cheese home.
Let me put the bun. And I'm gonna. Where's the bread?
I'm here waiting for the bus at the bus stop. I'm tired of walking, so I just left my farmer's market. I actually went to the supermarket first, and I went to the other market down there, then I went to this one. I got some apples, I got spinach, I got cucumber. I'm sure I want to get home because I'm gonna do some juicing today. I gotta do some juicing today. I gotta wash my hair because I'm not coming back outside for the rest of the day. I have to wash my hair, let it air dry, and then carry it tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna go to that place tomorrow. Like I keep iffing about it. I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna save my money. So this is what I got. Apples, cucumber, plantain, tomato. I got some peanut because I want to make some protein shake. And then I got some Dollar Tree yesterday when I do a Sikimani. I got one like, this is cool. They don't have this in my Dollar Tree out here. So I'm like, I could pour oil in there and pour something else, but oil definitely will be one of them. So now I'm about to juice. I gotta wash my hair. Then I gotta cook. I'm tired. I'm not going outside for the rest of the day. It's 3 o'clock now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to blend up this and juice it. Well, I'm gonna blend it up and then strain it. So this is a cloth that I use when I bought it from Dollar Tree. You see, I boil hot water and just clean it out when I'm about to use it. Every time I use it. This is my second time using it. Yeah, take my wig off. It's too hot for that. I need more water. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So the side is on top. Yeah, this thing right here. Look, all that. All that. Like I said, you could do like that if you want. Wait. Me? I'm gonna turn that. I'm gonna do that right there. Okay. Yeah, I was so close to getting the strainer. I was so close to buying the juicer. Because I went on TikTok and see that they was using like a cloth. It's called cheesecloth. And I'm like, what's the difference? What's like it's still a cloth, so look at that. Ooh, freshly made. Oh, look at that. That was one. I just put it on here. Cover it up.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a...
So first what I did celery and then the other stuff. Now I'm gonna do the celery by itself. So I hear celery by itself work wonders. So I did try it before. I swear, if I was consistent, my body would be snatched right now. But that's not the point. But it ain't. So I wasn't consistent. So I'm gonna just want to celery.
Was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, 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 we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, 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 we'll see what's about to happen, hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away.
So after all that juicing, so end up cooking and some dumpling, banana and plantain. It's time, and then I wash my hair.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
I'm trying the lemon ginger flavor. 2 tea bags. I'm making breakfast. It's Monday, August 1st.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So some me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the curve and murder, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Let the devil lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the rice. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na.
I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today ain't it the same? Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played.
We're back at Bryant Park on a Monday. So you know what time it is. We'll spend a little something there and get something free again. I'm trying to get this water bottle. I don't want nothing else. I think I actually have everything else already. Finally got my water bottle. I'm so hyped. Now I don't have to come back, but I'm still gonna come back. I got my water bottle, and I got everything. Only thing I didn't get was a pillow. But I got my water bottle. Hype. brushes. I need one of these cushion brushes because mine is ripped. So I'm about to get one. Not a small one, don't want a big one. Oh. Let me get this one. I don't have no thing on there, but let me get this. I need these smiles. See what else they have. I started came in for one thing, right? You see? You see how it is? Oh, the beauty thing. The roller for your face, to massage your face. Did I get this? I think I might get this. I'm quite already. Honestly, I just came in here for an hour and a half, right? Okay, see? See, unsweetened. I don't want that one, man. They don't have unsweetened. Should I get another one? I'm gonna get one more. I have 3 mason jars. The big one right here. This one is big, but I'm going by the side that can fit in the little mini fridge that I got. Let me get one more. I think 3 is good. Okay. So I'm gonna wait till after work to go to the other Dollar Tree because I don't feel like walking over here right now. I'm about to go to the clothing bin right here, throw some stuff in there. The laundry. I used to go to the laundromat right here, but I can't bother to walk up here all the time. I'm gonna go through here, look a wire. Put some stuff in there and then go to the supermarkets. It's kind of full, but I'm still gonna leave it. I don't want to in my house. Oh, they have more bins over there by the laundromat. I don't feel like walking over there though. I used to go over there to run. I need to go back over there. I'm trying to see if I should just go over there and run again in the morning time. The only time I will have is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday until my schedule go back to regular after the summer. Because I never went to the gym, and I always, when I was on my strict diet, I just go to the track and work out, just run and do squats. And what else I do? I run, squats. I don't do push-ups. I don't think I could do one push-up. I don't think I could do no push-up. So it's squats, it's running, squats. I do ab work, like lay down and lift your foot and back and forth, that. But I don't think I could do a push-up. That's sad. It is 9:34. I gotta go. See them don't have there. They don't have the bun. Oh, they don't have the wrong bun. Come on, people. You gotta be kidding me. You don't have the freaking bun. Oh. This is all I need. I really just went in there and got what I needed because it's 9:30 and so I'm trying to leave out at like 10 o'clock. In the plaza area and I found another Dollar Tree because I want some almond milk so bad. And I could just go back on the A train on the next block. I found what I came for. They're all the way deep down, but I found them. I have one in my bag already. I might get like 3 more because I need them so bad for my smoothies. For my oatmeal, I should say. I need them. So I'm gonna get 3 of them. Ooh, I need this too. Apple cider vinegar. I think that's it. I don't need nothing else. Strawberry banana with grapes, green grapes. for breakfast.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.